this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to free up some storage space on your Motorola phone. So if it's getting low on storage, we want to go to the top right, go to settings, scroll on down to storage, and we can see how much is used. So it says 20% used, 102 gigabytes free. Now we can go to this, and there might be an option for storage manager. We can just turn this on, and then we can go to free up storage space. And this will bring us to the files. And then under here we can go to the different categories. We can go to apps, click this, and we can see the largest apps, unused apps, etc. Go to the three little dots and we can uninstall it. So we can go to this and we can hold down on the apps and we can delete multiple apps at the same time now. And then we can go to the top right and go to uninstall. So we can see our apps through here. And then we can go to videos or images as well. So I got no images on here. And then we got documents. We can see if anything's in our download folder. We can do the same thing here. We can select all and then delete. So this will also be called files. So if we swipe on down from the bottom or up from the bottom, we can go to files right here and bring us back to the same page. So you can see all your different categories right there. And just go through here and clean out all the information you have that you don't need anymore. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.